Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel.
In this video, we're going to be showing you how we cut, finished, and then installed these here countertops. Today, we're cutting countertops, and we got this birch butcher block. That's such a tongue twister. Birch butcher block from Home Depot, and it is unfinished. So today we're gonna cut it, and then eventually we're gonna seal it and mount it.
Okay, so we're gonna do the ghost. We're gonna do the sink first. So I'm just gonna measure just from here to here, and we're gonna make it flush here because our plan is to put an extension like flip up counter here. So we're gonna try to make it as close as possible to right there. And you pretty much can count on nothing being straight, so it's basically like, yeah, it'll be close. Test fit, our first one.
We got all of our lengths cut. Now we just need to rip them so they fit, and then we're gonna cut the sink out. Now let's take it in.
Oh
What?
no. Oh no. Pulled like a little chunk up.
What?
Yeah. So I'm going to this side.
Oh no.
Wow.
Rude.
Why did I do that?
I don't know. Gosh, that's crazy.
Oh, that's no good.
We'll just...
We'll leave it for now.
Imperfection is perfection.
We'll put a sticker on it.
That's how we fix everything. We just put a sticker on it.
Cut the hole for the sink. Just gotta sand it a little bit.
We are finished, and check it out. The sink fits.
The sink fits. So these aren't mounted or anything. We still have to seal them, which is gonna take probably about a week or so. What do you say? How long?
Yeah, probably about a week. We're just gonna give ourselves time.
Yeah, so we're gonna seal them like multiple coats of this stuff. And right now we just have them in here just so we can see what it looks like. And we got the sink in, it fits. Our drain, it all fits. This counter fits. And then we have one that is gonna flip up here.
And it fits.
And it fits. So mission accomplished.
Whew, yeah, it's a big day. Today we're sealing our countertops. We got butcher block, and you have to seal butcher block. The reason is you don't want water to be getting in your wood. Not good. I did a lot of research because I wanted something, obviously you need to get food grade. So went with this BioShield, it's called. Countertop wood finish.
There it is.
And I don't know, it had really good reviews. So we're gonna hope that it works for us. And we need a brush. Got my gloves. We're gonna try it on a test piece and see how it goes. Basically, we're gonna put one coat on. We let it sit for 15 minutes and then we gotta wipe it off with a cloth and then let it dry overnight. Yep. And sand it and do it again.
And what did we do right before we?
Right before, I took a microfiber cloth because I've been having trouble with tack cloth. Tack cloths, like leaving residue and stuff. So anyway, did a microfiber cloth and wiped off all of the sawdust. So they're clean and ready to go. Done with our first coat. I did wear a mask because I like my lungs, but but actually this stuff doesn't smell very bad at all. It has like a little bit of a smell. And it looks really pretty, so can't wait to see how it looks when it dries.
Yep, so we'll come back.
Well, whenever we see you guys next.
Yep, in a couple days probably.
We're gonna have to lightly sand it and wipe it off and do a second coat. Just finished putting on the second coat, and this coat didn't soak in nearly as much when we waited our allotted amount of time, so I think that's a good sign. Hopefully our counters are getting sealed. It's time!
Time for what?
Putting the countertops in. It's the day! We let them cure for about a whole week, right?
Yeah.
A whole week, and they should be ready to go in. So we're gonna be gluing these down. And then in the very front, we're gonna screw them just because we kind of have to push back on them for them to get into the right place. So we wanna make sure they stay.
You like that? You doing it?
No, he's helping. Back
All right, so we have that counter glued and it's got weight on it. This one has glue and has weight on it, and we got clamps on it as well. And we were able to do a few screws on the front of both of them. And so those are just sitting, and now we're working on getting our flip up counter, which is over there. And what we did is we mounted our brackets here, and to give them some extra strength, we just added a 1x3, and all the screws just come into this. So we used some pretty thick screws. So now we got these mounted, and we just need to set the counter on it and mount it and see if it holds it.
We are completely finished with this. We got it mounted and we got the glue on these, and we're gonna let it sit overnight now for 24 hours. And then tomorrow we're gonna mount the sink. Let me show you guys how well this works. Look at that.
So cool.
It looks so good. So now we have this extra countertop space. And then I can't reach it.
Yep.
So she's in.
Yeah, gotta click it in. Okay, so we have had our counters done for about a couple weeks, and we are really happy with them. They turned out really nice. They're solid, they don't move, and we're really happy with them. So if you have any questions about how we did the counters or anything else about our build so far, just drop a comment and we'll answer all of them. And make sure to subscribe so you see the rest of our van videos.